everybody, happy Tuesday. Today we're still talking about ones, tens, pennies, dimes. One more, one less, 10 more, and 10 less. Okay, so remember ones are numbers 1 through 9. So they're the little cubes, they're just 1, they're worth 1. Tens are when you get a group of 10 ones, it becomes one group of 10. We count tens by 10. So in the number 13, you have one group of 10 and 3 ones. Pennies are like 1, so they're worth 1 cent. Dimes are worth 10 cents, so they're like groups of 10. Okay? One more is when you add 1. One less is when you take away a 1. 10 more, you add a 10. 10 less, you take away a 10. Okay, and I'm going to show you all of this very quickly before we start our activity today. Alright, so we're going to start out with dimes and pennies. So remember, this is a dime is worth 10. This is a penny is worth 1. Okay? So when you look at this, let's see what number this is. Alright, how many dimes do I have? I have 2 dimes. How many pennies? 2 pennies. What's my number? 22. So 22 is made up of 2 groups of 10 and 2 ones. Okay, you can count 10, 20, 21, 22. What would be 1 less than 22? So if I'm doing 1 less, I need to take away a 1. I need to take away a 1 because I'm doing 1 less. So let's see what my new number is. I still have 2 groups of 10. But now I only have 1. So 1 less than 22 is 21. Okay, so let's go back to, we're going to use 22 again. Okay, so I'm back to 22. What is 10 less than 22? I'm going to take 10 less. I need to take away a group of 10. So 10 less than 22. I now only have 1 group of 10. And 2 ones. 10 less than 22 is 12. Alright, let's go back to 22. One more time. Well, 2 more times. What is 1 more than 22? 1 more. Remember when I'm doing more, I'm going to add 1, because I want 1 more. So now what do I have? 2 tens still, and I have 3 ones. Alright? Alright, let's go back to 22 one more time. What is 10 more than 22? 10 more. I'm going to add a group of 10 because I want 10 more. And now I have 3 groups of 10 and 2 ones. That's the number 32. Okay? Alright, so let's get into today's activity. Today's activity is very similar to yesterday's activity. See if it'll load. Okay. Alright, so we did our vocab. Alright, so today you're going to be doing the same thing you did yesterday. Okay? So I'm going to do 2 with you, and you're going to do the rest by yourself. Alright, let's do this one. 30. So let's look. Each one of these is worth 10, so these are bundles of 10. How many 10s do I have? 3 10s. Do I have any ones? Nope. No ones. So 3 10s is 3 10s and 0 ones. That's the number 30. Okay, so I can count by 10s and check. 10, 20, 30. So 30 equals 3 10s. Good job. Alright, this is our 10 and these are our 1s. Okay, so I think you can do that one by yourself. I'm going to come down here and do a dimes and pennies one with you, and then you are going to do the rest by yourself. Remember, dimes are the smaller ones, okay? It's kind of hard to see the difference, but dimes are smaller than pennies. But they're worth more, right? Dimes are worth 10. So let's do this one. How many dimes do I have? I have 2 dimes. How many pennies? 2 pennies. Alright, so what is my total? 22. So 22 is 2 10s and 2 1s. Okay, 10, 20, 21, 22. My dimes are my 10s. My pennies are my 1s. Alright, and I'm going to do this one down here with you too. Number 6. Start with dimes. 1, 2. I see 3 dimes. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies. What's my total? That's right, it's 36. 36 is equal to how many 10s? 3 10s and 6 1s, right? So I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Remember, your dimes are your 10s and your pennies are your 1s. Okay, on this paper I want you to do the rest by yourself. Push pause, and then when you're ready, hit play and go to the next paper, the next slide too. Alright, so this one we're going to do 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, 10 less. Remember, you can cross out or draw as needed, okay? So let's see here. I'm going to do this one with you. 10 more than 22 is. Okay, well, I see 10 more. So 10 more means I need to add a 10. So does that mean I should add a dime or a penny? A dime, because they're my 10, so I'm going to add 1 over here. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So 10 more than 22 is 32. Alright, now I want 1 more than 22. When I'm doing 1 more than 22, do I add a dime or a penny? A penny, right? Because I want 1 more. Since you have 10, 20, 21, 22, 20, 23. Good job. Alright, and then for less, I want 1 less than 39. 1 less. So I know for less, I'm going to cross 1 out. Should I cross out a dime or a penny? A penny, right? Because I want 1 less. Now I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Alright, and I want you to do the last couple on your own. For this one, you're going to be doing 10 less. So what are you going to be crossing out? A dime. Okay, and I want you to think about 15 and 16 about what you're crossing out. Think very carefully about it. If you have any questions, let me make sure there's not another one. Nope. If you have any questions about today's math work, please reach out to your teacher. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.